In the article Body Ritual Among the Narcissism, Horace Minor sterically described the peculiar custom and rituals of imaginary tribe, the Narcissism, which is a mirror of reflection of American culture. My initial reaction to the article was a mix of amusement and self-awareness. It made me realize how easily we accept our own cultural practices while finding those of others strange or exotic. The Narcissism's obsession with body cleanliness, shrine-like bathrooms, and magical potions resonate with our own hygiene rituals and beauty products. The Narcissism's particular custom indeed mirrors aspects of our own culture. Here are some of their practices and how they resonate with our hygiene rituals and beauty products. Body cleanliness. The Narcissism's obsession with body cleanliness is akin to our own emphasis on personal hygiene. Just as they ritually scrub their bodies in shrine-like bathrooms, we have our daily showers and bath and skin care routines. Our shampoo bottles, soap dispensers, and toothpaste tubes become our modern-day shrines where we seek purification and renewal. Magical potions. Narcissism's use of magical potions, lotions, creams, and elixirs parallels our reliance on beauty products. Whether it's anti-aging serums, moisturizers, or sunscreen, we believe in their transformative powers. Just as the Narcissism apply these potions with reverence, we carefully anoint ourselves with creams and serums, hopefully for youthful radiance. Beauty rituals. The Narcissism's beauty rituals, from hair removal to cosmetic surgery, echo our own pursuits. They undergo painful procedures to enhance their appearance, seeking societal approval. Similarly, we invest in waxing, makeup, and even Botox injections to conform to beauty standards. Our mirrors become modern-day magic mirrors, reflecting our desires and insecurities. In essence, Narcissism's satire serves as a mirror revealing our own cultural practices. We too engage in rituals, seek magical solutions, and strive for beauty. Perhaps we're not so different after all, just separated by time and context. The Narcissism, as described by Horace, exhibits a unique communication pattern let's explore their communication practices and compare them to our own. Ritualistic communication. The Narcissism engage in ritualistic communication centered around the human body. Their daily interactions involve elaborate ceremonies related to hygiene, health, and appearance. Similarly, in our culture, we communicate through rituals, whether it is greeting someone with handshakes, saying bless you after a sneeze, or adhering to specific etiquette during formal events. Shrine-like spaces. Every Narcissism household has shrines devoted to body-related rituals. These shrines serve as focal points for communication with the supernatural, seeking purification and well-being. In our culture, we don't have literary shrines. We do have specialized spaces for communication. Think of bathrooms, dressing rooms, or even makeup counters. These areas are where we engage in self-grooming. Magical beliefs and gestures. The Narcissism believe in magical potions and perform highly formalized gestures. Hey! For instance, inserting hog hairs into the mouth along with powders is part of their rituals. While we don't use hog hair, our belief in the efficacy of beauty products, vitamins, and well-being practice can be seen our own form of magical thinking. We perform specific actions, applying cream, taking supplements with faith in our positive effects. Body as ugly as debilitated. The Narcissism view the human body as inherently ugly and prone to disease. Their rituals aim to avert these negative characteristics. In our culture, we also grapple with body images issues, striving for fitness, youthfulness, and health. Our communication about diet, exercise, and appearance reflect this concern. Cultural relativism. Satire reminds us of cultural relativism. As outsiders, we may find Narcissism practices strange, but we must recognize that our own custom can appear equally peculiar to others. Our communication patterns, whether small talk, greeting, or expressions of sympathies, are shaped by cultural norms. Communication pattern in my culture. One communication pattern in my culture that might be interesting to an outside observer is concept of small talk. In the United States, casual conversation often begin with weather-related comments, injuries about well-being, or discussion about mundane topics like weekend plans. This seemingly trivial chit-chat serves several purposes. It establishes rapport, maintains social harmony, and provides a gateway to deeper conversations. Small talk reflects the American cultural value of friendliness, approachability, and community building. The concept of small talk in American culture is indeed an interesting communication pattern. Here's a brief overview. Social rapport. Small talk is a tool to build social rapport and connect with others in a non-threatening way. Cultural value. Hey, let me hear you one more time. Let me hear you one more time. Cultural values. It reflects the values of friendliness and approachability, showcasing the importance of community. Conversation gateway acts as a gateway to more meaningful discussions, allowing people to gauge comfort levels. Harmony maintenance helps to maintain social harmony by engaging in polite, lighthearted exchanges. This pattern is subtle yet significant aspects of daily interaction that can shape the dynamics of the social relationships and community engagement. It's a nuisance form of communication that, while seeming superficial to some, hold deeper implications for social connectivity. Historical changes in small talk. Small talk has evolved over time. In the past, it was primarily face-to-face, occurring at local gatherings, markets, and neighborhood events. However, with the technology advances, our communication patterns have shifted. Today, small talk happens not only in person, but also through the digital channels, text message, social media, and virtual meetings. The rise of social media platforms has transformed how we engage in small talk, allowing us to connect with people globally. Additionally, the content of small talk has expanded beyond weather and family to include shared interests, pop culture, and cultural events. Evaluation of changes. Overall, I view these changes as both beneficial and detrimental to U.S. culture. On the positive side, digital small talk fosters connections across geographical boundaries, promoting cultural exchange and understanding. It allows us to learn about the diverse perspectives and build empathy. However, the downside is that it can sometimes feel superficial and disconnected. As we engage in more virtual interaction, face-to-face small talk may decline, impacting our ability to read nonverbal cues and build deeper relationships. To support this evaluation, I refer to a study by Pew Research Center. They found that while digital communication enhances connectivity, it can also lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. Thus, striking balance between online and offline small talk is crucial for maintaining a healthy cultural fabric. What seems ordinary to us may be baffling to someone from a different background. In summary, the Nostradamus communication pattern is exaggerated and satirical, but it sheds light on our own cultural practices. Both cultures engage in rituals, hold beliefs, and communicate through shared symbols. Pew Research Center, 2019. Social media use continues to rise in developing countries, but plateaus across developing ones. Source.